Alright guys, how you doing? We got cut off there. I have to get a bigger memory card for my phone, I just realized. That last video was like almost 7 minutes, so I'm trying to hurry up on this one and finish showing you how to make this turbo. Now, when it left off, I was telling you that where'd it go? This part here is a compression fitting. Brass comes out of a compression fittings for a car brake line or gas line. Make sure it's the same size, the 3/16 as your tubing. And what you need to do then is find a piece of styrene that'll go inside of there, but fit snugly. So any kind of sprue. I had a piece here. That's what I kept the other 100. Okay. You want to put that in there like that. And then after you get it flush in there, just cut it off flush with it. Or you can go a little bit more, really. I'm sorry, not flush. You want to go at least that far away. So we'll leave that on there for right now, this second. This is going to be the back side of the turbo. So what we're going to do now, we're going to have to heat this up and wrap it around that side. Okay, I'm just going to use a lighter this time. It's a lot quicker. See if we can get a good bend on it. You want to bend this slow, because if not, it distorts it, it stretches it, and then it knocks it out of roundness. Which I guess it really doesn't matter, because you're gonna sand it, make it fit better and stuff. So it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna try to tuck that in there as far as possible. But that first part there, this here, I usually cut this and then roll some of this more. Usually like cut this part because it tries to stay straight on you, and roll the top more. So you can bend cold too, just be careful. And there you go. For a little ways away, that's okay. Alright, now we can cut this off. Go about a whole groove there. Okay. Now, see how big that is? Here comes the tricky part. Kind of tricky. What you gotta do is, you gotta take a piece of this, because I don't have any tubing that'll fit over this right here, and be, snug on it. So what I had to do was take a piece of this. Let me get a clean cut out here. Whoa. And cut it off. And then slit it like this. Then wrap it around here. Fold it. You see where the slit is, right there. And then I know I gotta cut that right there, cut that access off. A little bit more. What this does, for some reason, that if you make them both the same size out of the 125, it just makes it look misproportioned. And the backside of the turbo is always a little smaller than the front. So what we're gonna do now is put a little glue on it. Right in the crack there. Just hold it there for a second. I got some kick spray around here. I'm gonna pause this real quick, guys, so I don't burn up all the time that we have. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. That's glued on. That's the center of the turbo, and we need to make one of these brass rings here now. I already have one I made, but I'll show you how I do it. Just take this, bend it around it, pass it up a couple times if you have to get a perfect circle. I don't know if that'll focus. And then you just snip. You just clip it where, say the circle looks good here. Get rid of that. Get rid of that area. Okay. Of course, it's going to be out of whack like that. But just squeeze it with your needle nose. Get you a nice circle. Perfect.